Space, a realm of infinite possibilities where celestial bodies dance around the sun in a cosmic ballet. But what if one day, two of these dancers, Earth and Mars, were to collide? How would this cataclysmic event unfold, and what would it mean for life as we know it? Earth and Mars, our neighboring planets, have been companions in the solar system for billions of years. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is often considered Earth's smaller, colder cousin. But what could bring these two planets onto a collision course? For such a collision to happen, an extraordinary event would need to occur. Perhaps a rogue planet enters the solar system, disturbing the delicate gravitational balance, or the Sun's gravitational pull changes, altering the orbits of Earth and Mars. As the planets draw closer, the forces of gravity would pull them together in a deadly embrace. As Earth and Mars approach each other, the consequences would be catastrophic long before the actual collision. Tidal forces would wreak havoc on both planets, triggering massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. The very crust of the Earth would begin to tear apart as the gravitational pull of Mars grows stronger. In the final moments before impact, the atmosphere of Earth would begin to merge with that of Mars, creating a storm of unimaginable proportions. The collision itself would be a cosmic explosion, releasing more energy than 1 billion nuclear bombs. Both planets would be obliterated, reduced to molten debris and dust. The collision between Earth and Mars would mark the end of both planets. The debris from the impact would form a new asteroid belt, circling the Sun in a silent testament to the cataclysmic event. Any remaining fragments of life from Earth would be incinerated or lost in the cold void of space. The ripple effects of such an impact would be felt throughout the solar system. The orbits of neighboring planets could be disturbed, potentially leading to further collisions. The loss of Earth, the cradle of life, would be an unimaginable tragedy, marking the end of a chapter in the history of the cosmos. While the idea of Earth colliding with Mars is the stuff of science fiction, the likelihood of such an event is astronomically small. The planets in our solar system are in stable orbits, and the forces that keep them in place are well understood by scientists. However, studying such hypothetical scenarios helps us appreciate the delicate balance that governs our solar system. It reminds us of the incredible forces at play in the universe and the fragility of our place within it. Earth, our home, continues its journey through space, safely orbiting the Sun. While the universe is full of dangers, it's also full of wonders. And as long as we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, we'll be better prepared for whatever the future may hold.